A total of 46,853 farmers from 5,863 households have been displaced by banditry, terrorism, flooding and communal clashes across Niger State. A data obtained from the Niger State Emergency Management Agency showed that some of the farmers had been displaced by banditry since 2018. The breakdown of the figure showed that the affected farmers comprised of 5,863 men, 23,450 women, and 17,540 children. The agency said there were 5,823 internally displaced persons at the Gwada IDP camp, comprising 970 men, 2,051 women and 2,802 children. At the Kota IDP camp, Nsema revealed that there were 3,180 displaced farmers made up of 530 men, 1,040 women, 1,610 children, saying that both camps were established in October 2018.